Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our host for tonight, Tuesday, LaRue.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to Stuttgart, the home of Mercedes-Benz. It's a privilege to have you with us this evening as we celebrate another significant milestone in the 140-year automotive history at Mercedes-Benz. A unique history of groundbreaking technology and fascinating cars. Tonight, we will witness the dawn of a new era, the world premiere of the all-new electric VLE. Now, to everyone who appreciates space and comfort, I think you're going to be truly excited because I know I am not the only one that feels that way. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome to the stage the CEO of Mercedes-Benz, Ola Källenius.
Thank you, Tuesday, and welcome to everyone joining us tonight. This is already the second time this year that we've invited guests to our hometown here in Stuttgart. Back in January, we marked a major anniversary, 140 years since the invention of the automobile. That breakthrough didn't just launch an industry, it changed how society moves, works, and lives. And it gave us a unique position no competitor can ever claim. We are the inventor of the automobile. I'll admit, I never get tired of saying that. Not just because it sounds impressive, but because its immense social and economic impact deserves to be acknowledged again and again. Lucky for me, there will be plenty of moments this year and next to mention it repeatedly, because we are right in the middle of the biggest product launch program in the history of Mercedes-Benz. We've already revealed quite a lineup: the CLA shooting brake, the GLB, and the all-new electric GLC last year, followed by the new S-Class this January. And just like parents, we don't pick favorites. But, and hear me out, we're not just introducing a new model tonight. We're creating an entirely new segment. And that deserves an extra spotlight. So tonight marks the beginning of a new era. We're celebrating the first vehicle built on our newly developed modular and flexible van architecture, a platform developed entirely from scratch, designed to let customers choose the powertrain that fit their needs, whether fully electric or an electrified high-tech combustion engine. A platform that reimagines what space and versatility can mean in a vehicle, and one that writes the next chapter in our 140-year legacy of innovation and pioneering spirit. But this new architecture offers so much more. It leverages company-wide synergies and supports profitable growth across both the private and soon the commercial segment. With the launch of the VLE tonight, we're opening a completely new segment with the most fitting name imaginable, the Grand Limousine. We have taken everything about the VLE to a new level: space and comfort, intelligence and digital experience, range and efficiency, design and versatility. We applied our pioneering Mercedes-Benz spirit to every detail and made it grand. It also combines what used to be two worlds: the driving comfort of a true limousine with the flexibility and spaciousness of an MPV. This is the beginning of something new and proof of our promise to build the world's most desirable vehicles.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Thomas Klein, head of Mercedes-Benz Vans and global tennis legend, Roger Federer. Oh, it's so good to see you. Okay, guys, let's get real. I am truly impressed. This is absolutely stunning, sleek, and it almost feels like a longer, even more spacious limousine with a striking front, just an unmistakable bold presence.
Absolutely, Tuesday. The VLE's groundbreaking design makes it crystal clear that a new era begins. The vehicle makes an impressive entrance, no matter if it's a business meeting, a casual family gathering, a stop at the tennis court, Roger, or a red carpet. But the real magic is inside, and I think that's where it truly adapts to anything that you would need. And Roger, I couldn't help noticing how quickly you got comfortable there in the back.
Oh, I was comfortable very quickly, and as a sportsman and a father of four, my mind was immediately to the seats, the space, and all the options. And my first thought was, wow, I mean, this is a grand limousine, really gets what the family needs.
I know exactly what you mean. As a father of two, I always think, where do I put the kids? Where do I put the grandparents? And where on earth do I put all their stuff? And that's really why versatility and flexibility were such a big thing when we were focusing on the VLE.
So what you're saying is the VLE is a limousine that doesn't just lock you into one rigid setup?
Precisely, Tuesday. The VLE isn't just about space, it's about giving you choice. You can have everything from 5 to 8 seats, and within your given configuration, you can reconfigure at no time to really match the moment that you require. So you can create a spacious lounge for those long family trips with tons of legroom, or you can have a massive loading compartment for all your sports gear. The VLE really is a true shapeshifter.
Oh my gosh, that is absolutely amazing. It almost feels like the car is saying, whatever the day throws at you, I've got you covered.
True, the VLE really hits on so many things, and I appreciate that, such as the incredible smart use of space, outstanding versatility, and some serious technically finesse.
Oh, technical finesse is a good prompt, Roger, because you know how difficult these long family rides with kids are, and you're trying to keep them happy.
Yeah.
We cooked up a really nice, clever solution that I think your kids will love as much as mine do.
Okay, Thomas, I have a feeling I know what you're talking about, because this was the one thing that I fell in love with the minute I saw it. Should we let everybody else in on what we know?
Of course we should.
Yeah?
Let's do it, yeah.
Okay, guys, are you ready?
Yes.
Look at this. Hey, Mercedes, start cinema experience. What? How cool is that?
I love that retractable screen, and you know, with the split screen functions, the kids can even watch different movies. Everyone's happy. No more bickering. It's perfect. It's fantastic.
Yes, you can stream music or movies and really in immersive 8K experience and with immersive sound. And get that, there's an 8K megapixel camera, so you can even do meetings from the back of the vehicle if you want.
Okay, that is awesome. I feel like the interior is a true sanctuary, just absolutely outstanding.
Yeah, I could honestly see myself preferring to be in the back instead of driving, actually.
Oh, I totally get that, but let me tell you, the VLE delivers much more, and that's tremendous driving fun too. Its agility and its ride comfort are truly impressive.
I can already feel that. I always say true performance isn't about raw power. It's about precision and control, making it all look completely effortless.
Spot on, Roger, and that's something I always adored about your career. You made tennis look so easy and so efficient, so effortless, really.
Yeah, I mean, I tried, and it's not all about it. It's about efficiency, knowing just when and where to use every ounce of that effort.
And that is precisely what we've also tried with the VLE. A grand limousine that exudes elegance, but is engineered for maximum efficiency, which is why the VLE offers best-in-class range and electric consumption. That's our way of bringing your precision onto the road, Roger.
Okay, well, Thomas and Roger, thank you so much. But I must say, what strikes me is that the VLE isn't just a stunning car, it genuinely adapts to your life. And I don't know about you, Roger, but I'm so excited to learn more. So let's dive deeper. Thomas, the stage is yours.
Thank you very much. Ladies and gentlemen, the all-new electric VLE is far more than just another car. For us, it's a true game changer. It's the first ever grand limousine, and it's defining its own segment. The VLE marks the beginning of the world's finest rides, accommodating up to 8 people and elevating every aspect of what our customers value. It masterfully combines two distinct worlds: the versatility and the spaciousness of an MPV with the ride comfort of a Mercedes-Benz limousine. All of that paired with an extraordinary immersive spatial experience. But allow me to point out some absolute highlights, kicking it off with a stunning design. As Tuesday said when she first saw it, I think it's remarkably bold and a far cry from a typical MPV look. The striking illuminated front with the star-shaped daytime running lights and the power domes on the hood make it command attention instantly. The stretched silhouette with its short overhangs and the eye-catching arc design taillights create an elegant yet status-oriented presence. But the design is not only for the looks. With a drag coefficient of just 0.25, it delivers outstanding aerodynamics too. The beautiful design continues in the interior. The moment you step inside, you feel instantly at home. This is unmistakably a Mercedes-Benz. The Skyview panoramic glass roof floods the interior with light, giving an unprecedented feeling of openness and freedom. And you can tailor this generous space entirely to your individual needs, because, as I said earlier, the VLE is as diverse as our customers. Speaking about our customers, in developing the VLE, we've kept what customers loved, like the separately opening tailgate window, but we revolutionized the rest. For example, the sliding door now features a fully retractable window. Moreover, you can choose between 3 seat types with varying comfort levels. Anything from 5 to 8 seats, which is exactly what our customers loved. Combined and configured in multiple ways and with a true premium third seat that doesn't compromise on comfort. Even 8 people can travel with plenty of room left for luggage. This means even a full 3-generation family, parents, kids, and grandparents, can go on a weekend trip or short holiday. And as just mentioned, flexible seating has never been so intuitive. Our new roll-and-go system makes handling of manually operated seats remarkably quick and easy. And we've taken it even further. True versatility means genuine choice. Our electric seats can be adjusted directly on the seat, via an app, or via the infotainment system, creating a user experience that allows to maximize cargo space or offer VIPs an exceptionally comfortable retreat at the push of a button. There's another feature designed for everyday comfort. You can choose to have a center console with a temperature-controlled compartment, perfect for keeping drinks chilled or warm, complete with UV disinfection. And as already shown, we have of course thought about the entertainment of the passengers once they found their comfortable seat and their nicely cooled drink. Our revolutionary MBUX rear space experience features a retractable 79-centimeter panoramic screen that elegantly disappears into the headliner when not needed. Combined with a 22-speaker featuring Dolby Atmos surround sound system, the VLE really becomes a mobile entertainer or an office on wheels. And of course, that's a similar story up front. The front seat passengers enjoy personalized entertainment on the MBUX Superscreen, which features game engine-powered graphics. All these features have one incredibly clever mastermind in common: our in-house developed AI-driven Mercedes-Benz operating system. You can think of MBOSS as the supercomputer that orchestrates truly everything in this grand limousine. And it allows for so much more. It enables over-the-air updates, so your VLE evolves and becomes even more intelligent over time. It brings to us the MBUX virtual assistant, which works with multiple AI agents. And MBOS also powers the latest safety system and advanced Level 2 automated driving and parking features. And where regulation permits, it enables MB Drive Assist Pro, which delivers a seamless and safe point-to-point driving experience, even in dense urban traffic. But enough talk about tech. Let's get to what matters most, driving. While Roger might be inclined to enjoy the feeling in the rear seats, the VLE also excels in every aspect of driving experience. Airmatic air suspension offers maximum agility and ride comfort, turning every journey into a serene glide. 7-degree rear axle steering further improves dynamics and maneuverability with an extraordinary small turning circle of just 10.9 meters curb to curb, comparable to the CLA. True breakthrough means, however, reimagining what's possible. The VLE breaks new ground in electric efficiency, consuming less than 20 kilowatt hours per 100 kilometers. Ladies and gentlemen, that's equivalent to about 2 liters of diesel. With more than 700 kilometers of range and 355 kilometers recharge in just 15 minutes, even long journeys become effortless. That's what we call... Thank you. That's what we call long-distance comfort reimagined. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how Mercedes-Benz defines a grand limousine. With this vehicle, we will expand our business to new customers and new markets, including China and the United States. But now, let us dive into the diverse VLE portfolio. In just a few moments, you will have the opportunity to see for yourself how the VLE can adapt to very different customer worlds. From a high-end premium shuttle for business people or VIPs, to a sporty and elegant all-rounder for leisure enthusiasts that tackle all kinds of terrains, to a flexible vehicle for families. The VLE is not defined by a shape. It's defined by the possibility it creates. Let's take a look.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.